Once again, welcome to the continuation of our lesson 8-9, solving problems involving volume. I am Teacher Ray, your math teacher.
Let's do example 3. Thickwan has a shed of his athletic equipment. What is the total volume of the shed? So first we need to find the volume of the bottom section. We will use the formula volume is equal to the area of the base times the height. The area of the base is S times S. Since it's a square, so we will have 18 times 18 times the height of a prism. So we multiply 18 and 18. This is equal to 324 times 18. This is equal to 5,832 cubic feet. So now the volume of the bottom section. Next is to find the volume of the top section. We have volume is equal to base times the height. The base is a triangle, so we will have 1/2 times the base in height times the height of the prism. So the base is 18 and the height is 10. And the height of the prism is 18. So we will multiply 18 and 10, it's 180 times 1/2, it's 90 times 18, and this is equal to 1,620. This is equal to 1,620 cubic feet. So this is now the volume of the bottom section. This time we will now add the volume of the bottom section and the volume of the top section. Volume of the bottom section is 5,832 and The volume of the top section is 1620, and it gives the sum of 7,452 cubic feet. So this is now the volume of the shed. Let's do this together. Amber built a custom terrarium for her plant. What is the volume of the terrarium? How can we find for the volume of the terrarium? Take the terrarium can be decomposed into two prisms, the square prism and the rectangular prism. If we decompose in this way, we form two prisms. This is the square prism and this one is the rectangular prism. Do the side lengths of the prism change? Let's start with the square prism. The side length of the base and the height of the prism do not change. For rectangular prism, the side length of the base changes, and this is now 30 inches. The width of the base and the height of the prism do not change. Let's solve for the volume of the square prism. Using the formula for the volume of the prism, area of the base times the height. The area of the base is 10 times 10 times the height of the prism, which is equal to 30. We multiply them together, 10 times 10 times 30, it gives a product of 3000. So the volume of the square prism is 3000 cubic inches. Now let's solve for the volume of rectangular prism. Now let's find for the volume of rectangular prism. Using the same formula, the area of the base is length times width times the height of the prism. The length is 30 and the width is 10. Times the height of the prism, which is 12. So we will multiply 30 and 10 times 12. This is equal to 3600 cubic inches. So we have now the volume of rectangular prism and a square prism. So what's next? So we will now add the volume of the two prism. The volume of a square prism is 3000 and the volume of rectangular prism is 3600. This is equal to 6600 This is equal to 6,600 cubic inches. So this is now the volume of the terrarium. The volume of the terrarium is 6,600 cubic inches. Let's do two more exercises before having your homework for this lesson. This is item 4 in your textbook 474. An aquarium has a regular hexagonal base with side lengths of 15 centimeters. When the hexagon is divided into 6 equal triangles, the height of each triangle is about 13 centimeters. If the aquarium is 50 centimeters tall, what is its volume? First, we need to find the area of the base. It says here that the hexagon, which is the base of the aquarium, is divided into 6 equal triangles. So we'll use this formula A equals 6 times the area of one triangle, which is 1/2 base times height. Since the height of a triangle is about 13 centimeters, we will use approximate symbol. So we have 6 times 1/2 The base is 15 and the height of the base is 13. Multiply 15 and 13, it's equal to 195 times 1/2 or divided by 2. This is equal to 97.5. So this is the area of one triangle. And since we have 6 triangle, we will multiply this by 6. So this is equal to 585 square centimeters. Now we are ready to find for the volume of the aquarium times the height. The area of the base is 585 which is 50 centimeters. This is equal to 29,250 cubic centimeters. So the volume of an aquarium that has regular hexagonal base is about 29,250 cubic centimeters.
And we're done. Don't forget to do your homework on pages 474 to 76, items number 4, 7, and 14. For your homework, try to answer by yourself. I check your answer in my next video. Let's end our lesson for today. See you in my next video.